So I went to Michael's with my husband, and my husband bought these Fiskar snips, and really excited to try them. So for mixed media, which is nice. As you guys know, I have some embroidery scissors that I use all the time for really small cuts. I wanted something small for fussy cutting, pretty much anything. I want to keep the embroidery scissors for embroidery, ribbon, that sort of thing, just more fabric related stuff. So I wanted this for other uses, mostly paper and things like that. But yeah, so they're easy action, spring assist. They have a micro tip, titanium blade coating. It says number 5, which I don't know what that means. And then it says cut with a legend, easy action, spring opens blade after each cut, reducing hand fatigue, precise micro tip blades for intricate details and tight patterns. Titanium blade coating is 3 times harder than steel for added durability, blade lock for safe storage, ambidextrous, ergonomic, soft grip handle. Also, obviously they're very sharp, so just be careful with these guys. Try to keep them out of reach of kids. Oh, and apparently there's a full-time warranty, which is also awesome. But yeah, I can't wait to break these out because I think that these would be really, really good, especially if I'm fussy cutting stuff. I get hand fatigue real easily. I fussy cut a lot more than most people because there's a lot of people that have a Cricut. I like to do my channel mostly for people who don't have Cricuts. Obviously, you can use a Cricut for a lot of my stuff too if you want to, but I think it's really, really good for people who don't have Cricuts as well, my channel. So I could just show you a few different ways of how to do things. So I don't know. I wanted to try these and I'm really excited to break these out. I'm actually gonna open them up, I think, right now. Oh, it was pretty easy to open up actually. So I guess it has a lock here. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can cut some paper here. I just have some regular scrap paper here. I'm just gonna see. Cuts pretty good. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I just lock them up or take them down for when you're ready to use them. Okay, I like these. They seem pretty cool. They make fringe real easily. Pretty excited to use these. Hopefully you like what I'm doing next.